that little bit of ass there for a few seconds, then all of a sudden he's like coming
I
back.
had a, I had a five. I think I had a 5 kill
Oh,
streak
you
at
had
one
a
point.
lead. Yeah, you had a 5 kill lead.
Yeah, but
What
I
he
had to
started
tell
doing
him.
as soon as he hit that streak, what he started doing, then he was really running.
No,
Niggas
I
moving.
figured out his
No good.
gameplay and I broke it back. I broke it down back to him. He kills and continues going clockwise. He gets a kill, goes
Yo,
clockwise. Gets a kill, goes clockwise.
how many kills you think Revert's gonna get? I give him 8.
5.
I'm gonna go 8.
I'll
You
give
going
him. I'll
5?
give him 6
I
too.
say
I'll give him
6.
6.
6? I
Yeah.
go 8. I might be
Revert?
too generous, but
Revert
yeah.
against Cucky. I'm gonna go with the 10.
You're gonna go with the 10? Okay.
I'm going with the 10. I'm gonna say Revert gets at least 10.
Negative.
Yo, this kid is crazy.
He went straight for him. He fucking with him right now.
That one don't even count. That was from behind. He got stuck on the door.
Bullet man. Oh my god. That's an angle shot. Man, he just cut shoot right through a sliver.
Yeah, Cucky's trying to call him out. What happened to Cucky? Hold up.
Look. Revert changing his game. He changing the game. Everybody changes the way they play so bad. Goddamn.
Because now we're all sitting here.
Different
watching
when
them.
you no, it's when you can hear them footsteps. It makes a
Yeah.
big difference.
Well, that and everybody's kind of seeing your gameplay now, and now everybody kind of knows how everybody runs, right? Oh.
Slid into his DMs.
Twice. Oh.
Ooh.
So, wait a minute.
It's whoever wins.
Is everybody
this.
using different attachments?
What do you mean?
Shouldn't be.
Because
Why?
he's using a blueprint.
A blueprint? What do you mean?
Who's using a blueprint?
Barrel is not the barrel. Revert. I don't know.
And Revert
No,
doesn't
I
have the proper sight on either. He's got
Well, the
iron
sight is I can. All right.
His iron
And
sight.
I'm
Not
Iron
one.
sight. Well, that's,
But
It was
is
the
same
he
thing.
using a MCW?
he's using the right gun, but even Cucky's barrel is not.
No, Cucky has his setup different.
That's what I'm saying. So everybody has their own shit. Nah. Oh man.
See, and
I'm protesting. Goddamn. Nah, I'm just.
I was told to go off the blueprints.
Yeah, I did exact. The only thing I changed was the sight.
I
It's
went
the same
straight.
kind of sight. It's just a different. You know,
I went straight
order.
off the blueprint. I didn't even change anything on that shit. Straight blueprint. But I'm better with the MCW than the fucking rival, bro.
Get less hit markers. That's for sure.
That rival's got me fucked up.
I could have had my dice. I don't use the MCW at all.
Oh no, the MCW, I'm fucking devouring.
Yeah, I'm better with the Geist. That's my gun.
Bro, they're all going counterclockwise. Oh no, clockwise.
I had to
He's
stop
changing
watching
it up.
Cucky. Cucky's making me motion sickness. Holy fuck, that kid jumps around a lot. What?
Yeah, he saw that. He saw that first. Oh. There goes the counterclockwise move for both.
He's about to get caught right here.
Nope.
No, he's watching.
Damn.
Yeah, that was too slow. You gotta know he's coming pretty fast, man.
No, and you know he's gonna come from behind.
Yeah, he always does a
If he
circle.
doesn't jump right
does.
back into your view, he's coming around.
Yeah, he does a circle around. Usually, if you shoot, if it's behind him, he does a circle and comes around it.
Oh, there's the
I'm
clockwise.
learning Cooky's style, man.
No, there's no way I'm playing this guy's style.
Oh yeah, no, he plays the exact same way every time. The jump, the slide, the jump, the slide.
But that's how a lot of people play. Fast movement. They play a lot of fast movement. Because that's how they see like on TV and shit. You know what I mean? The fact that we play hardcore, I think makes it a little different for us. There's less bullets to kill. You got to be a little more.
Ooh. I was finally able to smoke a cigarette. Shit.
Oh, you gotta play versus Cucky.
Well, I'm glad I had my fucking cigarette then.
Unless Revert can pull it out of his ass, you're playing Cucky.
Well, I'll take a shot to that then.
Bro, can I fucking move off of Cucky? Oh, thank God. I was seriously starting to get motion sickness for real.
I'm telling you,
How can you move? How can you move?
just click your mouse. Or
Well, not if you're spectating.
Oh, okay.
if you're a
Yeah.
spectator, you can't.
Yeah, you can.
No, if you spectate, you can. Alright. But what he end up with 8?
Nah,
eight-
yeah,
I
8 or
told
9.
you. I told you 8.
What the hell? Did I just lag? Oh, there you go.
Yeah. Revert, you made me a lot of money. Thank you.